Removing empty rows that are a result of the Google Sheets query function. I have a Google spreadsheet here with population data, countries, region, and country codes. And I've written a query formula that pulls out the column A, country name, and column D, population, and orders by column D, population ascending. And when I hit enter, it looks like nothing populated. But as I scroll down my sheet, I'll find my query results at the bottom because above it are all the empty rows. I said order by population ascending, so all of these empty values come before my first smallest country. So the ways I could tackle this, I could get rid of all the empty rows below my main data. Or I can add into my query, making sure I only show rows that aren't null, aren't empty basically. So the way I can do that is with a where clause. I can say where, and if I want to make sure there is an actual population value in D, I could say D is null and then put a not before it. So I'll negate this statement. D is null and negate it with a not. And now when I hit enter, I will only get the values that have a population.